You going in tomorrow? Yeah, that's definitely important.
I'm on my shit like the government.
I'm tired of all y'all niggas in my DM. Acting like I don't know y'all BM. Only fans going crazy. I got fans, I got fans. Girlfriend, girlfriend, girlfriend. Leave that nigga and turn up like it's your birthday. Girl, you ain't like doing poppin' in the first girlfriend, 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 girlfriend. Leave that nigga and turn up like it's your birthday. Get out your feelings, fuck that nigga in the worst way. I don't like your situation, very like you anyway. I'm in love with hood niggas, that freaking ain't PUA, piggy. And I said what I said, I don't fuck on first night. Give me head, give me head. Girlfriend, 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 girlfriend. Leave that nigga and turn up like it's your birthday. Girl, you ain't like doing poppin' in the first girlfriend, 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 girlfriend. Leave that nigga and turn up like it's your birthday. Get out your feelings, fuck that nigga in the worst way. No, you can't take me on a date. Meet me at the piggy bank. I already cleared the statements, now I'm about to clear the stage. Put this pussy on his face. It feel like a leg. Smack my ass and watch it shake. No birthday, but he give me cake. Shout out to my nigga Frank, my nigga Greg, my nigga Jeff. Give me racks, piggy. And I said what I said. I don't fuck on first night. Give me head, give me head. Girlfriend, 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 girlfriend. Leave that nigga and turn up like it's your birthday. Girl, you act like you went poppin' in the first girlfriend, 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 girlfriend. Leave that nigga and turn up like it's your birthday. Get out your feelings, fuck that nigga in the worst way. Girlfriend, girlfriend, girlfriend.
This wig will be available tomorrow at 12 p.m. Central Standard Time. Again, this wig will be available for purchase tomorrow afternoon at 12 p.m. Central Standard Time. This is Chanel number 5. She is a 5x5 lace closure wig. Can be glueless or glued on. 24 inches, $650. HD lace, and it is a side part. I will be showing the front. Let me see. I've been following you for a minute and wanted to see when you were gonna do this. Oh, well, I'm glad I'm on here. Yeah, I'm gonna show the front. I'm just trying to get these pins out. If y'all knew the angle that I was in right now, because I don't want to show my face right now, child. Look a little busted right now. And the final product will be, the final product of it, you know, all combed out and stuff, will be revealed tomorrow. But I just wanted to give y'all a little sneak preview. And she is a side part.
We are coming to you live from Fairfield University, where an assailant by
The
the
deep
name of
side
Killa Dre
part.
has taken over the campus and she's holding students and faculty hostage. This woman is very
As in the closure is not in the center, it's on the side.
Is waiting on her list of demands, and that is unfortunately all the news I have on this matter at this present time. This is Amanda Love, I'm with you, TOB. All right, listen. There are two ways we can do this.
Child, I'm really trying to stay out the camera. So I'm about to comb her out.
Negotiate with you. What's gonna take to release these houses?
But you see, she's on side part intentionally. So, I don't have my wide tooth comb. Let me see. We need to see the brand behind the beauty. Oh, child, not right now. I will. Let me see. Do I have my wide tooth comb with me, or am I not prepared? Y'all want me to comb these curls out on camera? Thank you. Let me see. I don't need to be prepared. I used to be so nervous to get on live. Now when I get on live, I don't need to be prepared. And I do not want to use the brush. Let me see. Okay, maybe I do it with my hands. Let me see. Hey, boo. Hey, Shanti. Let me see. And it is a ventilated cap as well. So your head can breathe. It's ventilated through the middle. And there's mesh panels on the side. I really wish I had my wide tooth comb, but this will have to do since y'all want to see it. Hey, Chris. Thanks, boo. Well, don't be afraid, because this looks good. Oh, thank you. Like I said, I don't be getting on live, child. I be scared. But I'm, scared money don't make no money. And the bigger the risk, the bigger the reward. So, I'm just trying. I really don't want to. Let me see. has been layered as well. It's alright. So yeah, again, she's a 24-inch 5x5 lace closure with HD lace. $650. All you have to do is cut the lace, baby, and she's ready. She's ready to wear. Ready to pop on. My website is currently down. Blessed Winnie Jones. My website is currently down. So if you were interested in a wig and you see something on my page, you can DM me and I will process the invoice through PayPal with the terms and conditions on the invoice as well. Baby, he's still professional even though that website might be down. You know, we still got to find a way to get that coin. And you know, we were selling stuff before we had websites too, so definitely if you wanted this, you would it is $8 for shipping. So if you were interested in this wig, it would be $658 total. Let me see. See, that ain't transferring on camera how it is in person. That's another thing. I don't know if I'm not getting the right angle or what. Let me see. But like I said, I'm gonna have the final product out tomorrow. Let me stop playing. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and hop off. I do want to thank you guys so much for watching. Let me give you another view of the back, so you can get into that body, honey. So you can get into that good old body, honey. Ooh. Do you see that? Yes, you know, lightly layered. You know. So again, she'll be up for grabs tomorrow, 12 p.m. Central Standard Time. Baby, she's ready. Well, almost. Final touches tomorrow. Bye.